Hey guys, my name is Owen. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a new subscriber, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you're an old subscriber, thank you for being with me. Let me show you how you can buy cryptocurrency or Bitcoin right here in Zambia or Africa or East Africa, the most safest way. Let's jump into this thing. So it's something called YELLOWCARD, and this is the official site. Let's click on get started. You just search for yellowcard.io.com or yellowcard.io and search, or go on Google and search for yellowcard. Then you click on the first link and it will bring you to this page right here. Thank you for the old subscribers, and thank you for continuing for the positive support that you've been giving. Thank you from all parts of Africa. I really appreciate it. That's why if you're watching this video and just want to be part of the family, please subscribe, like, and leave your thoughts in the comment section. Yeah, and you'll be part of the family. Welcome aboard in advance. I have a very slow network. You know how it is. Okay, it's loading. Okay, so this is the format you need to fill out. So let me do this quick. So first name. I'm using my client's account. Our details, first name, I'll go with that. Second name, then date of birth. Put the original date of birth. Make sure all the information that you're putting or filling in this form are accurate. Make sure they're accurate. Put in the phone number or the cell number that you're using at the moment. Don't make any mistake. Put in the email address or email address that's active. Don't put in any email address that's not active. Make sure it's your email address. Don't put in your friend's email address, because this is financial issues. When money is related, you need to be super careful. Then password. Make sure first letter is supposed to be caps, the rest of the letters small letters. Then you add numbers at the end. Then you add a symbol. Okay. Then you can hit sign up. Make sure to click on the invitation code and put in the code that's on the screen. Sign up. Okay. Let's check it through. Yeah, I think everything is cool. Then if you can use my code if you didn't choose the link, and just put it there where there's like get an invitation code, then you put it in there. If you didn't choose my link, you can put in the code that I'll give, or that will be displayed on the screen. You can put it there if you didn't choose the link. Yes, so subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe. If you want to help this channel grow, don't forget to subscribe. Like the video too. So yes, verify your email. So verification pin has been sent to my email address. So firstly, it's supposed to be sent to your number. So I'm punching in the one that has been sent to my number right now. Make sure you have the number in your phone and it's active. So click continue. Make sure your number is active. You have a SIM card in your phone and click continue. Secondly, you'll have to confirm the email as well. For the email, also make sure your phone or your email address is active. Make sure it's active for you to verify. So like for me, for myself, I'm confirming on my phone right now. It's loading on my phone. And yes, it's done. On my phone it's done. So once we just wait for a second, then refresh on the page as well, then it'll be through. And don't forget to join my Telegram. The link will be in the description. The Telegram group will be used for when you have any question. If you have got any questions, you can just easily ask me, or if you need any assistance, you can easily ask me in the Telegram group, or when it's time for the giveaway. So okay, let me now refresh the page. Okay, done. So we have to create a transaction pin. This pin, you shouldn't forget the pin. Make sure it's a 4-digit pin. Okay, let me just confirm that, and let me confirm it. Put it properly, not properly. This is the most secure way you can easily buy cryptocurrency or buy Bitcoin here in Africa. Like for say myself here in Zambia. Yes. As you know, everything on my channel is authentic. Okay, click next. It's gonna load the dashboard, then you'll successfully set your transaction pin. Done. First step of creating this account. Okay, that's the dashboard and everything. Please watch it for part 2. Part 2 will come after this same video, just hours after this same video. So this was part 2 on how to just create the password and everything, creating the account. You also have to send in your details for him to verify your account and show you how to deposit money. Watch out for part 2.